In his first month in office, President Donald Trump has promised significant action to amend existing policy on healthcare, immigration, among other areas. But he'll need help from U.S. state leaders to make those changes happen. In Washington on Sunday, the president talked to state governors to get their views on how the White House and Congress should approach these issues. VOA's Elizabeth Cherneff reports.
What I want to say to each one of you is the door's open in the West Wing to America's governors.
From the White House, a pledge to work together with state leaders who gathered in Washington to discuss the concerns facing their towns and cities. On the topic of immigration, leaders from both parties acknowledged the difficulties of fixing a system that is often seen as complex and difficult to navigate.
It's not just a matter of building fences and walls around the border for border security. It's also making sure, in my view, that the gate works, how people can come and go, how they can come and visit, how they can come and stay, get work visas.
We all want to keep our communities safe. However, we cannot trample on due process and civil liberties. What it does, it will drive people underground. They won't seek health care, they won't work with law enforcement, and they won't invest. And I'm worried in Virginia that this could hurt our economy.
Proposed changes to the Affordable Care Act also have leaders in some states concerned about health care costs.
Our interest as governors is to make sure there is affordable health care that is patient-centered, that is affordable, that's available to people.
Addressing the governors, the president repeated a promise he made on the campaign trail.
Most of you know the Obamacare has had tremendous problems. It doesn't work, but we're going to have it fixed, and we're going to repeal and replace.
The annual conference of state leaders also serves as a learning tool going forward. Scott Pattison spoke to VOA via Skype.
With 50 states, 5 territories in the District of Columbia, you have a lot of opportunity for experimentation and innovation, and then sharing what worked, what doesn't work among the states, and then hopefully learning from each other as to what policies really do provide the results that you want, like better health care outcomes.
All state leaders will lay out their policy visions on Monday with the president and congressional leaders at the White House. Elizabeth Cherneff, VOA News, Washington.